Okay, so what I did was I cornrowed her real hair, and then I put a swim cap on top of her hair because I did not want the actual weave to be stuck to her hair. And then I put the actual lace cap on. So that is the best way to be able to do it when you're doing it on an actual human head versus a mannequin. I like to start on the front lace portion first and get the front done first, then do the back. Once I'm done with the front, then I'll start in the back portion. Doing it this way make you use less hair. Okay guys, now I am done. I'm going to show you some pictures of the end result. You'll see them. One thing I wanted to tell you guys, make sure that you are not using too much hair, because if you do, it's going to be looking like a big lion's mane. So you want it to look like a nice wig. So again, do your front top portion, do the hairline, and then do the back, and then I will be able to show you how your wig is going to look. Take your time. You can also do this on a mannequin too if you like, but to me it's better if you do it on an actual person or yourself, because the wig play better. This is a great technique to do on someone with thinning hair, or if they have alopecia, or they just don't want to do an actual crochet weave. I love doing the actual crochet wigs. You can be able to take it on and take it off when you want to. You can also use any type of hair. That's what the good thing about it is. Hopefully this video helped you a little bit. I just wanted to come to you guys real quick. I would love for you guys to make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you want someone to make your wig, I would love to make it for you. You just most definitely contact me. You guys take care, be blessed, and I'll chat with you guys later. Oh yeah, and a quick FYI, I did cut the actual style, so I did give it a custom cut.